To digitize your vinyl, place your record on the turntable. Select the size, 7 or 12, and the speed, 33 or 45. When playing 45s, adjust the size to 7 and place the 45 adapter on the middle of the turntable before placing your record. Connect the turntable to the Roxio Video Capture USB, matching color corresponding cables. Make sure that the Roxio Video Capture USB is plugged into the computer's USB port. Next, open the Roxio Easy VHS to DVD software. Choose Audio from the home screen and start New Project. Now you'll select Record Audio in Roxio, and you'll want to configure your settings using the Options panel. Click the plus sign next to Options to open the Options panel. Enable Auto Pause to stop recording automatically after an extended silence. Check the box and choose your silence length. 15 to 20 seconds is the recommended silence length. To separate tracks while recording, you can have Roxio detect them automatically. To automatically detect tracks, select Track Detection, enable Track Detection, and set the silence length gap to your choice. The recommended silence length gap is between 1.5 and 3 seconds. Once you're satisfied with your settings, click the Record button to start recording. Remove the protective needle covering on the record player and press Start. The needle will automatically move into position. You can listen while you're recording using the computer headphones. When the first side of the record is finished, press pause on Roxio. Wait for the needle to move back to its start position, then flip the record over. Next, click Resume on Roxio. Press Start on the turntable and finish playing the second side of your record. When the second side is finished, press Stop on Roxio. The turntable will stop automatically. After recording, you can edit your audio using the clip editor and the mix editor. The clip editor is in the top portion of your screen and the mix editor is below. In the clip editor, you can add song titles, artists, and any additional track information. To do so, you will right-click on the track and then select Edit Track Info. Enter your track information and then click Done when finished. You can also listen to your tracks and remove unwanted audio. To delete audio, click and drag your mouse across the unwanted clip to create a gray highlight, and then select the scissors icon in the top left corner to delete. To separate your tracks, use the mix editor. Click anywhere in the mix editor to open. You can separate tracks by clicking and dragging your mouse between the tracks in the gray track bar to lengthen or shorten. Use the play button to determine each track's length. Now you can export your audio files to the storage format of your choice. Click Export on the top bar, select Tracks Clips from the gray menu, choose which tracks you'd like to add, change the output setting to the format of your choice. MP3 good quality is recommended. To save to a flash drive, insert your flash drive into the computer's USB port. In the Save To folder, click on Browse and then select your flash drive. Click OK and then the blue Export button in the bottom right corner. A dialog box will appear to let you know that your file is exporting. You can then make sure that your files are saved by clicking on your USB drive in the File Browse folder and checking to make sure the correct files are there. You can also burn to an audio CD. Click Burn Audio CD in the gray bar, then choose Use Tracks from Project, choose the disk size, make sure your tracks are selected, and then click the blue Export button in the bottom right corner. You'll confirm that the external DVD player is connected, make sure your settings are correct, and then insert a blank CD into the external hard drive. In Roxio, you'll want to click OK once your disk has been inserted, and then you'll see a dialog box giving you progress on the burning of your CD.